This is day 9 of 27 of Black and Briefed, our history on the ballot. Today, we're talking about one of the most celebrated Supreme Court decisions in U.S. history, Brown v. Board of Education. In 1954, the Supreme Court ruled that racial segregation in public schools was unconstitutional. The court said that separate but equal was inherently unequal. Now, on paper, this was a victory. But here's what was left out. Brown didn't come with an enforcement plan, and laws are no good if you cannot enforce them. The court ordered desegregation to happen with all deliberate speed, and many states took that as permission to delay, resist, or ignore the ruling altogether. Some districts shut schools down rather than integrate. Others created private academies to avoid compliance, and federal enforcement was inconsistent at best. So while Brown changed the law, it didn't automatically change access. That gap between legal victory and lived reality matters. Quick power check. Education policy is largely controlled at the state and local level. School boards, state legislatures, district boundaries. Courts can rule, but implementation depends on political will. Today, many public schools are more segregated than they were decades ago. Not because segregation is legal, but because policy choices around zoning, funding, and district lines reproduce inequality. Brown v. Board of Education teaches us something critical. Winning a case is not the same as winning justice. Legal change without enforcement leaves room for inequality to rebrand itself. Tomorrow, we'll talk about how education policy became a battleground for culture, curriculum, and Black history itself. Your voice matters. Use it in 2026.